My name is Nair Torres, and I chose the Conservancy of Southwest Florida as my field trip site for this project. In the Conservancy of Southwest Florida, I learned about many things and animals such as reptiles, mangroves, sea urchins, and much more. I learned about important species to our environment such as the manatees that are endangered and have a home in our mangroves. Those are things that I didn't know about before and find really interesting because you see manatees and you hear about them, but you never really think that they're endangered and how much they affect our environment and how much it means for us to have them around, as they're a part of the food chain just like every other animal. I think the most interesting concept that I learned about was probably about the mangroves, being that there are 3 types of mangroves, and red is the most important here in Florida. I also learned about different types of fishes. In the oyster reef fish tank, I saw really interesting fishes, such as a spotted scorpion fish, a toadfish, and a Florida stone crab. The spotted scorpion fish actually looked like a rock. I also saw sea urchins, which are those little red things with the antennas, and I tried my best to draw them. I chose this because it was really interesting.
This is called a horseshoe crab, but it's actually part of the spider family, and it has blue blood, which is used for medicine, and it is copper based. So that's pretty cool.
I also took a boat tour in the Conservancy of Southwest Florida where we headed towards these red mangroves that I had told you about that were so important to our environment here. I learned that the red mangroves grow in salt water, which is weird for trees to grow in salt water because of the sand. Well, what I found out about this boat tour was that red mangroves take water in through their roots and they filter out the salt. Red mangroves are very important to the ecosystem here in Florida, and it's something that we shouldn't take for granted, and they really are beautiful. How they grow, it's almost like they're living plants. The last thing I did was take a beautiful walk in a nature trail in the Conservancy of Southwest Florida. Thank you for watching.